Adding exam prep to your busy lives is not easy, so I have a small suggestion that may make it easier to navigate meeting your life, work, family, and even leisure time commitments while also making time to hit the books and study. So first, set a goal for the number of study hours you want to fit into your week, and then add study sessions to your weekly schedules as you would any appointment. And this way, if you're enjoying a holiday party or some festivity, you can just enjoy it without worrying or feeling guilty that you're doing something fun instead of studying. You won't have to feel that way if studying has a consistent place on your schedule and your time commitment to studying isn't compromised due to your other life stuff. Now, if you do have to miss a scheduled study session, then reschedule it, just as you would any other commitment or appointment. You do have to stay organized and you do have to follow through with your commitment to your study schedule. But this way, you're going to meet your other obligations, you're going to have time to have some fun, and you're going to earn yourself the added gift of becoming certified. You have got this.